FS00. Go to the transaction code FS00. Go to the transaction code FS00. Or else before you go to this FS00, go to the transaction code OBD4, that is a take out the fixed assets and go to that FS00. Take out the fixed assets and go to the FS00, ma'am. And it is started with 200,630. Go to the create new option. It is a balance sheet account and short text is a plant and machinery fixed asset account. Fixed asset is you can just write down plant and machinery fixed asset account. Fixed asset account. Okay, or else a fixed account. You can just write down. And GL long text, copy that thing and paste it in the GL long text. And control data. In the control data, you can just take out the accounting currency is INR. And at the same time, so the reconciliation account type, so it is particularly related to the one subledger, right? And we do have the reconciliation thing that is asset. Okay, take out the reconciliation account for account type is asset. Here, reconciliation account for account type is asset. Okay, and the next one is reconciliation for accounting type is assets, and the next one is a sort key. Sort key is a, I think so, line item display, and sort key is 018. That is asset number 018. Okay. And go to the create or bank interest. In the create or bank interest, you can just take out the Z067. Z067 and go to the save button and save it. Okay, so the next one is in the fixed assets only we can able to have accumulated depreciation account. Okay, accumulated depreciation account. Copy that thing, ma'am. Copy this account and take out the new thing. Accumulated depreciation account is also very important. Okay, go to the account description, remove this plant and machinery account. You can just give accumulated depreciation ACCDEP underscore PM underscore AC. Accumulated depreciation plant and machinery account. And GL account long text is a accumulated depreciation plant and machinery account. Same thing. Copy that thing and paste it here. Go to the control data. Everything is same. Sort key is also 018. That is asset number. And the creator bank interest is 067. Okay. Click on the enter. Go to the save button and save it. The next one is same thing like no. for this thing, we do have depreciation things, right? Ma'am, can you change the depreciation? I mean, type of description things. Go to the this account only, accumulated depreciation account. You can just give the uh, edit option, and you can just try to write down this asset under construction, plant and machinery. Just try to take out the asset under construction, plant and machinery. Remove this accumulated depreciation account. You can just give asset under construction, plant and machinery. Okay, we do have different types of accounts for the accumulated depreciation. No issue. Asset under construction account, and here GL account long text is asset under construction account. Go to the subheading and save it. No issue. We do have accumulated depreciation. The depreciation will be. Go to the subheading and save it, and give /n. Give /n. Go to the OBD for transaction code. And what is the accumulated depreciation things we have? Accounting group. What is the accumulated depreciation? Yes. 400000. Go to the FS00 transaction code. Give /n. 100200 is the accumulated depreciation, right? Give /n. Go to the FS00 transaction code and go to the create option. GL account is 100200. Go to the continue option. Is in the accounting group. Try to take out the accounting group as accumulated depreciation accounting group, and that is a P&L statement only, and short text is accumulated depreciation plant and machinery account. Same thing. Accumulated depreciation plant and no. Don't try to like okay. ACC space DEP space PM space account. Same thing. Go to the control data. INR currency line item display. Short key is 018. Line item display and short key. No. Don't take out any reconciliation account. See, for the particular accounts only we have to take out. Line item display and 018 is the asset number. And the next one is when it comes to the creator bank interest. Z001. Same thing, ma'am. Z001. Sorry, accumulated depreciation is a balance sheet account, right? No. Yes. Go to the save button and save it, ma'am. Accumulated depreciation. Go to the edit option, and it is a balance sheet account. Sorry, all of you. Then next in the other incomes, what we need to take out. Here other incomes only, right? In that income, sale of asset account. Can you take out the sale of asset account? No. This is the P&L account only. line item display and sort key is 018, and this is sale of asset account, right? We can call it as this field status group is a Z052 accounts for fixed retirement. 018 is the asset number, and then create our bank interest Z052. Z052. Go to the save button and save it. 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 And next one is profit on sale of assets. In the other income only, you can just try to give, ma'am. In the other income only, profit on sale of asset account. Profit on sale of asset account. Profit on sale of asset account. And the line item display sort key is 018. Profit on sale of asset account. And field status group is Z001. Go to the line item display and sort key is 018. Go to the create and bank interest and field status group is a what is the thing? Z001. Same thing, ma'am. Okay, so in the administration expenditure, go to the administration expenditure, ma'am. So loss on sale of asset account is very important. Okay, and profit on sale of asset account is must, and also in the administration expenditure, loss on sale of asset is also must. Okay, so in the administration expenditure, GL account is loss on sale of asset account. P&L statement and administration expenditure, and short text is a loss on sale of asset account. A GL account long text is a loss on sale of asset account. Okay, and in the control data, line item display and sort key is 018, that is asset number, and create our bank interest in that field status group. You can able to take out the Z001, that is general text test with allocations. Click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Okay, if you have loss due to scrap, okay, how you can able to do it? In the administration expenditure only, you can just take out that thing, ma'am. Copy each and everything from the loss on sale of asset account. Okay, and you can just repeat the name, that is loss due to scrap account. Loss due to scrap account. Loss due to scrap account is very important. Loss due to scrap. Okay, and everything is fine, right? And we need to have depreciation expenditure. Okay, do we have depreciation expenditure, ma'am? What we need to do is go to the transaction code OBD4. Go to the transaction code OBD4 and try to search with your chart of accounts. What is your depreciation? 400500. Yes. Go to that FS00 transaction code and try to create the depreciation expenditure. That is depreciation expenditure, and accounting group is a depreciation, and P&L statement. account, and short text is depreciation account, and GL long text is also same, depreciation account only, depreciation account only, and line item display and sort key is 018, that is asset number, and create our bank interest, that is Z001, same thing. Go to the save button and save it. Go to the save button and save it. And how many accounts that we have created? Accumulated depreciation account, then loss on sale of asset account, loss due to scrap account, and depreciation account, plant and machinery fixed asset account, asset under construction plant and machinery account, sale of asset account, and profit on sale of asset account. Can you open the accumulated depreciation? Okay, open the accumulated depreciation. Open the administration expenditure, and open the depreciation, and open the fixed assets, and open the other incomes. I think so. We have created all these accounts, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 accounts we have created, right? Okay, good. Then next one. Next important thing is that we need to determine the GLs. Okay, in FITMM integration, how we have determined the GL accounts? Same thing in for asset accounting also, we need to determine the GL accounts. Okay, using transaction code AO90. Go to the transaction code AO90. 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 Okay. Take out your operating chart of accounts, ma'am. Is this your operating chart of accounts? So after the taking of the chart of accounts, you do have account determinations. Double click on this account determination. Double click on this account determination. So go to the position and give the account determination. That is plant and machinery. That is DUPL, DUP1 P&M. There is a thing, right? What is your account determination? Take out that thing. DU R1 P&L. Select that thing and go to the balance sheet accounts. Go to the balance sheet accounts. In the balance sheet accounts, what we need to do is so balance sheet account, you can just try to take out the fixed asset account. In the balance sheet account, try to take out the fixed asset account. Balance sheet accounts. No. You do one thing, ma'am. Come back. Acquisitions with product costings. Double click on this balance sheet accounts. Precision is one acquisition for account assignments. Okay, so in that acquisitions and production costs, you can just try to take out the uh, two That is plant and machinery we have created, right? Asset under constructions. Yes. Take out that plant and machinery, ma'am. Plant and machinery fixed asset account we have created it, right? Okay, good. And after that, what is the next thing? Try to take out the loss on, I mean, in the retirement account assignments, you can just try to take out loss made on asset retirement without revenue. That is loss due to scrap. Loss due to scrap. The next one. So clearing account revenue from asset sale is a sale of asset account. Clearing account revenue from asset sale is a sale of asset account. So gain from asset sale is a profit on sale of asset account. Profit on sale of asset account. Profit on sale of asset account. And the next one, loss from asset sale is a loss on sale of asset account. Okay, so whatever the things that we are creating, okay, based on the GL determinations only, we can able to assign all these accounts. Okay, and please, whatever the GL accounts that you have created, and you should assign it. Okay, so that is very, very important right now. We have click on the enter and go to the depreciation, ma'am. Go to the depreciation. In the accumulated depreciation account for ordinary depreciation, try to take out the accumulated depreciation account, ma'am. And the next one is and in the expenses account for ordinary depreciation, take out the depreciation account. We have created the 40000, right? In that thing, take out the depreciation account. Okay, good, ma'am. Click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Account 100 200 not yet defined reconciliation accounts in company coda. Okay, can you remove this thing, ma'am? You do one thing. Can you take out the new screen? Can you take out the new screen? Uh, Go to the FS00 and take out the 100 200. Double click on this thing, ma'am, and go to the reconciliation edit option. Edit option. Go to the create or bank interest. Take out these assets and yes. Go to the save button and save it. Now come back to the screen, ma'am. Go to the save button and save it. Now it is not giving any error, right? Come back, ma'am, and take out the asset under constructions. Take out the asset under constructions, ma'am. In the account determination, take out the asset under construction rule. Go to the balance sheet accounts and try to give the balance sheet account. Plant and machinery, asset under constructions, we have created it, right? Okay, then next one, retirement account assignment. Retirement account assignments. Good. Retirement asset under things. Loss made on assets accounts. Retirement without revenue is loss due to scrap. Loss due to scrap. And clearing account revenue from asset sale is sale of asset, profit on sale of asset account. And gain from asset sale is profit on sale of asset accounting. Gain from asset sale is a profit on a sale of asset accounting, and loss from asset sale is a loss on sale of asset accounting. All of you, for this asset under construction, we cannot give the accounts for the depreciation. Okay, don't maintain the depreciation accounts for the particular asset under constructions. Okay, please try to understand the point that we don't maintain the depreciation accounts for the asset under constructions. Okay, why? Because this asset under construction asset should be transferred to the main asset. I mean, this asset under construction should be converted to the main asset. Then only we can able to calculate the asset under constructions things. Okay, depreciation calculations things and all. Okay, those things are mandatory, and at the same time in balance sheet accounts, whatever the things that we are maintaining, so those things will be determined, okay, based on the asset under constructions. Okay, so once you transfer the asset under construction asset to the main asset, then only you can able to calculate the depreciation things. Otherwise you cannot. Okay, please try to understand the point, and at the same time every GL account should be determined, okay, in SAP system. Okay, that is very very important right now we have. And next one. Next one, can you go to the transaction code OAYR, ma'am? Specify intervals for the company selections. Go to the position and give your company code. Go to the position and give your yes. Go to the posting rules, ma'am. Go to the posting rules. See, all of you, it is a monthly posting. If you want to calculate the bi-monthly postings, you can able to tick mark it. If you want to calculate the quarterly postings, you can able to tick mark it. You can able to, I mean, if you want to calculate the semi-manual annual postings, okay, you can able to tick mark it. Annual postings directly. If you want to calculate the depreciation for years, okay, you can just give the um, uh, annual postings. Okay, so we have number of requirements. See, for your sake of reference, I'm just taking the monthly postings. Why? Because every month we need to post a depreciation. Okay, so that is why. See, period intervals is a 001. Okay, so there is a smoothing method will be there. All of you, in interview point of view, a smoothing method is very very important. Okay, they will just ask you the smoothing method. What do you mean by depreciation smoothing? See, this option determines how the system behaves. If settings like depreciation key useful life have changed in the asset during the fiscal year, resulting in the changes in the value of depreciation either high or low. Okay, if smoothing option is activated, the difference is distributed equally among the remaining posting periods of the current fiscal year. Okay, if you post more amount in the depreciations and all, if you have the smoothing methods, okay, the difference is distributed equally among the remaining posting periods of the current fiscal year. So that is the use of the depreciation smoothing. Okay, those things are mandatory, all of you. And in particular things, we can able to use the posting period interval is a 001. Okay, no need to take out anything. Okay, I'm just giving you the information. If you want, where you can able to change the depreciation period and control methods. So in transaction code OFIR, I can able to change the posting rules. Okay, so give slash n, ma'am. So this is just for your reference. I'm just see why where from where we have taken the rules. Okay, from the transaction code OAYR, we can able to take out the intervals for the posting rules. Okay, and the next one is specify rounding of net book value and or depreciation. Okay, these things are mandatory, all of you. Okay, and at the same time, we need to specify the document types. Okay, what is the document type? Ma'am, can you go to the transaction code OBA7 and try to assign the number range, that is depreciation postings. Go to the document type. Go to the document type. Depreciation posting, I think so. AF, go up. Go up. First one is AF, depreciation postings. Take out that depreciation posting, double click on it. Go to the number range information, that is 04. Go to the number range information and try to assign this number range information to your company code. Go to the edit intervals and go to the interval. Take out the 04, year 2023, and from number. Take out the from number. Go to the search option. To the 7000. Click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. That is the most important thing that we want to do for the depreciation postings. Okay. And OAYR is the monthly postings is very, very important. And then can you go to the transaction code OAYO? Rounding rules specifications. I need to tell you all of you. OAYO is the continue. Company code area 1 inconsistent rounding rules entries were corrected. Okay, continue. Continue. Okay, go to the position and give your company code. Go to the position and give your company code. And select this thing and go to the rounding specifications. Okay, see all of you, that is arithmetic rounding. If you want to have the net book value at year end, you can able to take out. If you want the automatically calculated depreciations, you can able to take out. And if you want the replacement value, you can able to take out. Okay, round up, round down, arithmetic rounding. Arithmetic rounding is nothing but you will have the point values, right? So depreciation like that is 131.32 paisa. 131 rupees 0.32 paisa and 1000 rupees 300 paisas. Okay, 30 paisa, 50 paisa, like this we have. Okay, so anything that you are calculating, okay, based on the arithmetic rounding only you should calculate it. And if you want to round up all these things, you can able to round up. See, if it is a 100.30, you can round up those things 101 or else 100. If it is a round down, okay, round down means is nothing but the 100.30. So you can just down the value, that is 100 rupees. Okay, so these things are mandatory first of all. And see, I just want you to know all these things. I mean, before you go to the interview and all, you just need to know the points. Okay, so mandatory things are automatically calculated depreciations. Okay, so for our company code, based on the arithmetic rounding preparations and all, we can able to take out the automatically calculated depreciations. So tick mark on the automatically calculated depreciation. Tick mark on the automatically calculated depreciation. Just tick mark. Go to the save button and save it. So based on our company code, so we need to calculate the depreciation automatically only, right? So these things are mandatory, all of you. So please try to understand the point. And the next one is define multi-level methods using transaction code AFA MS. Can you go to the transaction code AFAMS? Multi-level methods means what? Straight line methods, and at the same time written down value method. Okay, straight line method and written down value method is very, very important. Okay, all of you. So the thing is that go to that AFAMS. Okay, define multi-level methods, and we need to define the methods. Okay, so go to the new entries, and we can able to define our own multi-level methods. Okay, uh, for the chart of depreciations. Okay, for the multi-level method is D01, Durga 01. That is straight line method depreciation. That is 5% or anything like this. Straight line method SLM depreciation 5%. Okay, SLM depreciation 5%, and validity start date is from ordinary depreciation start date. Ordinary depreciation start date. Can you go to the levels, ma'am? Ordinary depreciation start date. Go to the new entries. Go to the new entries, ma'am. Here new entries. And here acquisition year is 2023. And give the years triple line. Yes, just give the year triple line, and percentage is a 5%, and no need to take any base values. Sorry, periods are 12. Periods are 12 periods. Sorry, those are periods, and this is the percentage. 12 is the periods. And no need to take any base values and all, and just give the percentage, and after that you can just take out the base value, that is acquisition value. Base value is why you are taking all this, why you are entering, cancel this thing. Yes, here enter the base value, go to the drop down option. Take out the 01. Okay, click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Okay, the next one, come back, one step back. One more step back. Can you go to the new entries and give the multi-level method as D02? That is written down value method, written down WDV method. Okay, depreciation, and validity start date is from ordinary depreciation start date. From ordinary depreciation start date, and go to the levels. Same thing. And levels in that acquisition year is 2023, and the years are 999, periods 12, and base value we should take out the base value is, go to the base value, and net book value, take out the net book value. Written down value method is calculated on the net book value only, right? Take out the 24. 24 is the how much depreciation, that is 2%. Just give 2%. Click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Okay, so how you can able to maintain the period control methods. Okay, so we do have transaction code AFA MP. Go to the transaction code AFA MP. See, you can able to have number of period control methods in transaction code AFA MP. Okay, so that one is very important. So in the AFA MP, we do have period control methods. Pro rata at period start date will be there. Okay, I mean in transaction code OAYR, you have seen for your company code, you have maintained the period control method is 001. Okay. Okay, so these things are mandatory, all of you. So if you want to have the period control methods, okay, acquisitions things, add things, retirement things, anything that you want to have, you can able to have each and everything in transaction code. Okay, AFA MP. Okay, those things are mandatory, all of you. See, you no need to have any period control methods. If you want to have your own period control methods, you can just able to create the new entries. Now it is not at all important. Why? Because you see, if you create the period control methods on your own name, what will happen? So you should take out the 01, 01, 02, 02, that is acquisition, add, retirement, and terminations things and all. You can able to have it. Okay, based on the client requirement, there is no issue. Okay, so you have created a defined multi-level methods that is D01 and D02. Just try to write down D01 is for the SLM and D02 is for the uh, WDB, right? Go to the notepad. Yes, and the next one is maintain period control methods AFA MB is over and maintain depreciation key using transaction code AFA MA. Go to the 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 new entries. We can able to create our own depreciation keys. Just give D01, D01, SLM plant and machinery for how much percentage that you have taken depreciation key. 5% only, right? SLM plant and machinery 5%. SLM plant and machinery 5% and period control according to fiscal years. So we have period control methods, that is monthly postings, right? So for that thing, period control according to fiscal years, just tick mark on it. And everything is fine, right? And just tick mark on the depreciation to the day also. Tick mark on the depreciation to the day also. Or else you do one thing, ma'am, remove this depreciation to the day. No, no, no. You do one thing. We haven't created the phase one, right? So go to the levels, depreciation levels. Yes. So take out the base method, ma'am. Depreciation levels. No, no. Here assignments of calculation methods are there, right? Left side. Here depreciation to the day. You just need to tick mark on it. Go to the depreciation key once again. Depreciation to the day. You just need to tick mark on it. Depreciation to the day. Go to the assignments of calculation methods. Assignments of calculation methods. Go to the new entries. And you need to take out the base method, right? So what is the base method? Try to take out the period control method is sorry, base method is 0014. Go to the drop down option. Go to the drop down option. Period control method is 001 and this base method is a 0014 explicit percentage after end of life. So we are calculating the depreciation based on the percentage only level, right? And take out the period control method. Take out the period control method. So no need to have the decline balance methods and all. Take out the period control method, PRD control. Go to the drop down option and take out the period control method is 001. 001. And here calculation methods and multi-level method. Take out that multi-level method. Multi-level method is D01, right? D01. In the class, you can just take out the straight line depreciations. In the class, you can just take out the straight line depreciations. Okay, and the depreciation type is a ordinary depreciation. Go up, depreciation type is a ordinary depreciation. And a phase is, go to the phase from the start of depreciations and all, go to the save button and save it. And after that, we need to activate the depreciations. Okay. Come back. We need to activate the depreciations. How we can able to? It is in an inactivate position. One step back. One step back. Issue. Select this thing and activate the status. Go to the activate status. It is in an inactive. Go to the save button and save it. Click on the enter. Go to the save button and save it. Okay, come back. Now, one step back. Now it is a in activate position, right? Okay, come back. One step back. Now go to the new entries. Now go to the new entries, and we can able to have WDV method also. And depreciation key is a D02. WDV method is a 2% method. And period control according to fiscal years, just tick mark on it. And depreciation to the day, just tick mark on it. And then next one is go to this assignments of calculation methods. Assignments of calculation methods. Go to the new entries. Go to the new entries and try to give depreciation type is a ordinary depreciation. Ordinary depreciation. And the base method is a 0014. Base method is a 0014. And then next one, period control method, same 001. And multi-level method is a D02. D02. And the class is a decline balance depreciation. And go to the save button and save it and just activate these things. Go to the save button and save it. Come back and activate it. Select that thing and activate it. So we should activate each and everything, all of you. So without knowing the things, how you can able to do it? Okay, so come back, ma'am. One step back, and we need to check it. Okay, whether it is in activated status mode or not. Go to the position, AFAMA. Go to the transaction code AFAMA. AFAMA, and go to the position. Depreciation key. Give the depreciation key. Yes. So all these things are in activate position. Okay.